Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly to your Outlook. Now without further ado, let's get started. First is to open your computer browser and head on to the Calendly website, that is www.calendly.com. Now once you're in Calendly, all you have to do is to sign up for free, or you can actually sign up using Google or Microsoft. Now I'm just going to sign up for free with the Google and choose the Google account that you want to sign up with. So I'm just going to use this account right here and click on allow. And now this will automatically go to this website right here, or this page, that is Calendly. So for now it says welcome to Calendly, and you have to create your URL. So automatically Calendly suggests your URL should be your email address without the @google.com. So let's just do that. So I'm just gonna click on continue right here, and now your Google Calendar is connected. So here's how Calendly will work with your email. So you can actually check that if you want to check for conflicts, and it will add events to this email. So just click on continue, and now set your availability. So you can actually set your availability. So 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. is actually good for me. And you can actually set the available days you have. So weekdays is good for me also. And with that being said, let's hit on continue. And now tell us about your role at work. This will help us provide a tailored support experience. So what is your day-to-day role? So if you are an educator, if you're an entrepreneur, if you are into account management, if you are a freelance or a consultant, if you're a sales, just click on any of this. So for now, I'm just going to select freelance or consultant. So I'm just going to hit on finish. And now once you have done that, this is where we will be doing our integration process. So first, but before we'll go into the integration process, this is the Calendly dashboard. So these are the event types. So you can actually create a new event type right here, and these are the scheduled events, and these are the workflows, and some routing right here. So you can actually have a scheduled events right here and create an event type right about there. So for the purpose of this video is to integrate Calendly to your Outlook. Now first, all you have to do is go to integrations right here. And as you can see, it will lead me to this page. So here are mostly some of the website or applications that we can actually integrate. So we have API and webhooks, Calendly Android app, Calendly for Chrome, for Edge, for Firefox, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, this is the Calendly for Outlook, but if you go down real quick, you also have Calendly or Outlook Calendar plugin or Outlook for workflows. So Outlook for workflows will have you the ability to send automated emails from your Outlook account. And the Outlook Calendar plugin is to add events to your desktop calendar and prevent double booking. So these are also good, but for now, let's just focus on Calendly for Outlook. So all you have to do is to click on Calendly for Outlook. So I'm just going to click on that. And once you are done that, it will lead you to the Microsoft App Stores right here. So as you can see, we'll go to Calendly for Outlook and just go to get it now right here, and just simply enter your Microsoft account. Just hit on sign in, and it will ask you for your password real quick, and just enter your password. Right about there, and it says if you want to stay signed in, just click on yes, or if you don't want to, just click on no. So I'm just going to click on no right here, and it will automatically go to this page right here. So as you can see right here, you need to enter some details. So enter your job title. So for now, I'm just going to say freelancer, and enter your company name. So I'm just going to say freelancer. Now enter the country or region you're currently at. So I'm just going to head on to Philippines right here, because this is where I'm currently residing. And of course, enter your phone number. So just enter your phone number real quick. And next is to get it now, right about here. So taking you to the Microsoft 365 to complete this process. Now this may take a lot of time. And next is you want to sign in again to your Microsoft account. So all you have to do is to sign in again. Just enter your email. And of course, next is to enter your password, I believe. So right about there, or no. So now it will redirect me to my Outlook. So as you can see right here, we have now integrated Calendly and Outlook. So as you can see, Calendly for Outlook right here, just click on add right about there. And it says now Calendly is now added. So you can see this sort of button right here that says Calendly. You can actually just simply click on that to access Calendly on your Outlook. So there you have it. As you can see, we have now integrated our Calendly. Now to do this, all you need to do is to go to the calendar right here, and there you have it. We can now actually access Calendly right about here. So I'm just going to select show all right here, and now we are good to go. So as you can see, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down on the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!